Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, a life estate. So coincidentally, I wanted to speak about life estate. It seemed to be a natural progression with the topics that I've handled. And I received a call today from a prospective will client. So a woman called me up and I engaged in a conversation with her today. And she told me a little bit about her marital status and children and circumstance in order to, figure out her fact pattern and her situation and what she wanted. So for purposes of this conversation today, our video, she and her husband are both in their 70s. The home that she resides in with her husband is only in the name of the husband. And she has a couple children. So she would like a will in the event that the husband should predecease her, that she would make sure that her children received the asset. But also, I don't know if she identified it or I identified it. I'm hoping it was me. That I wanted to protect her during her life and then leave to the children. So perhaps the best way to do this is, it's a couple of ways, but one way would be a life estate. Could be that the property could go, right? I'm going to go through a couple of scenarios. The property could go from her husband, so the father, to the son, with a life estate to the mother, so that the mother could remain there for all of her life. And that might make the most sense because in sharing some of her history, she's got a couple of medical conditions, right? So really, unfortunately, if her husband should pass away in his 70s, and then she would inherit the property in her 70s with medical complications, that might not be the path that I want to put her on. Even if a client came in and asked me to do that, I'm going to offer different suggestions for them in how to best pass along their assets to the next generation with the least tax consequence and the least problem and the greatest efficiency. So if you would like to speak to me about your situation, your fact pattern, your life events, please go to frankbrunolaw.com.